This is the street or the road toward to my house in Taglada. This is the football field. I am about to go to my house. This is the mosque. Wow,
Astaga.
this is my house. Wow. Wow. Full of ashes. Full of ashes in front of my house. Oh, okay. Yeah. Full of ashes in front of my house. Yeah, this is the ash. Oh, so thick. And there's my neighbor. Fall down. Yeah. This is my neighbor. Yeah. And this is my son.